be a pimp in prison.
Who you gonna pimp?
Everybody.
He won't survive.
I will be like
he
the
can't
king.
even survive without me for a day. So I don't know how I'm gonna
In
survive
prison,
in
do you think
prison.
I cook for myself in prison?
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. My day has begun long time ago. I'm in town, in the street, walking to go and pick up my girl from school. Going to pick up Sarah from Gardery. And I have this heavy bag on my side. You know what's in that bag? Books for Tyler. Tyler, books. He finished reading his books long time ago. And he said, Mama, I can't wait anymore. I need more books. So I returned those books this morning and got new books for him, and they're so heavy. And just when I reached the tram stop, I realized that they're working on the tram and I would have to wait on a bus instead of a tram. So I said, okay, ain't nobody got time for that because I need to go pick up my girl, so I'm gonna walk. It's a good little walk, but walking is good, right? Though I woke up and got my workout in this morning and I'm tired, but that means it's extra calorie burn for me, so it works in my favor. I really don't mind the walking, but with this heavy bag, honey child, it's a task. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good day. It's sunny here, but it's windy, so I don't know if you guys can hear me properly. I hope you guys can, but because of the wind, it feels chilly though the sun is out. But when you're in the sun walking, it's good, it's better. So I'm going right now to pick up Sarah to head home, and of course you guys know Tyler is at school, so that's what's been going on right now. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and I'll see you guys at some point throughout the rest of today. Be kind to somebody, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Love every single one of you that clicks to watch and to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys later, shawty. Approaching lunchtime, so everybody is getting seated, getting ready for lunch right now, but I'm going home to make a salad. We are in beautiful Place Messina in the center of Nice town. If you guys are watching my vlog for the first time and don't recognize where I am, that's where I am right now. Walking through beautiful Nice. Beautiful Nice. this just look like you can eat it right away. Dinner is going in the oven. You guys have been back home for a long time, but so much has been happening around here. We just have so much to do. Work, priorities. But it's kind of slowing down the pace right now. I am making dinner. I already picked up Tyler from school. Tyler is in his room doing homework, and I'm trying to navigate through dinner right now. So I just put some... Why you guys look so zoom up in my face though? Get out of my face, girl. I just put some chicken in the oven to jerk, which I'm not gonna give to the kids. I don't normally give the kids the jerk chicken, but I'm gonna do some other chicken for them, and they prefer chicken breast. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also going to cook some rice for the kids, and then try and figure out what veggie is going to be on the menu right now. So that's what I'm up to. I am working at the same time. I have so much work to do. You guys have no idea the amount of work I have doing. Anyway, you guys, this little one is here with her book from the library. Sarah, look here. Say hello, Fizz. What you doing? I allow her to pretend write with that pen because there is no point in it. Kiddos plate, that's Tyler din. So I ended up making this kind of chicken for Tyler because Tyler hates chicken thigh. Though he'll eat it, but the chicken breast is his favorite. And look who's already eating. Hi Sarah. Yummy? Say yummy. Eat up. Eat a rice. Good job. Talk to me. Look good jerk chicken there, please. Jerk chicken look nice. Ready for my belly. I think I'm gonna have 2 of these. That's so yummy they look. This is babe and I dinner, and I'm sure I'm gonna have 2 pieces of chicken, so don't quote me at this 1 piece in my plate. Cause honey, this look good.
Aujourd'hui, il est un matin, une fille qui s'appelait Sarah Delaveaus était dans les poches. Et il y avait
She wants to get away from you so bad.
Qui voulait que faire des guillis.
You're not giving her a break, huh?
Sarah Delaveaus. Voilà, n'importe qui le. Il est chatouillé souvent les pieds.
And Sarah like the little puppet doing everything that Tyler wants her to do.
Il était venu. Elle était assise, elle ramassait de l'air. Il a enlevé son vêtement.
Tyler, do some more. Put down her clothes.
Il faisait un bruit de cochon.
Oh.
Oh, oui.
Look at her smile. Yes. Run, Sarah, run! Run away! Ah! She said mouth. You know what she wanted to do? She wanted to blow on her stomach. Oh, she said mouse. I thought she said mouth. Run, Sarah, run!
Sarah, asperge. Asperge. Pas de biscuit. Penguin.
Get down. Quack, 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 quack. But Jesus, but look at her doing what you're doing. But Lord of mercy. Look at her following you. That's how the cow goes style.
It's the milk that's coming out that I forgot.
Oh, is that when the milk come out, it makes that sound. Tyler, move your bottom of your sister, boy.
Run,
Run, Sarah. Mister, move your body. Sarah, don't do that. Don't put your foot on your brother. Tyler! Tyler, but the milk don't come out of the bottom. So why are you pushing your bottom up in the ear? The bottom have nothing to do with the milk. You look like prison bae. You look like you're in a prison outfit. That's how prison uniform look, this color. It kind of fit you. If you go prison, you won't survive. It's true. If
Be a pimp in prison.
Who you gonna pimp?
Everybody.
He won't
I will
survive.
be like
He
the
can't
king.
even survive without me for a day. So I don't know how I'm gonna
In
survive
prison,
in
do you
prison.
think I cook for myself in prison?
You see, I worry about the cooking part.
Yeah.
None of that alone, you can't go survive.
Spinach, broccoli. They have burger in prison. Burger, fries,
You won't be able to get no
bacon,
refill. And you not get no legal
Coca-Cola.
tie, you get legal one.
You think they have baconator
And
in
you don't have
prison?
the option of breast. You
Bre-
don't get no chicken breast.
Baconator?
Yeah, go get some tin baked bean and some flash out.
Think they have ganja in prison?
You don't smoke, so it don't matter.
Smoke
Yeah.
weed every day. Hood up. Day. Are you ready for the next episode?
You really think you could have survived in prison there?
Finger noise.
They would have slap you upside your head every single day.
I am what they call the mascot. You know what is the mascot?
The class clown.
It's like the person is.
My
Everybody
husband
like
would
this
survive
person.
an hour in prison.
No, they will all like me.
It's not possible.
They will laugh with me. They have so much joke and
That they'll definitely do. You'll
they're gonna take
definitely,
care of me.
you'll definitely be the clown of the group,
They're
of the
gonna
prison.
take care of me. Always like they call it the passepartout, going everywhere.
I was just about to say, look at you not coughing. And he haven't coughed since he got home. Can you guys believe that? He have not coughed since he got home.
Let me tell you
And
the
minute
truth.
he
She
turned on the camera,
farted. It was so stinky. That's
fart
why.
when?
Just now.
What a man wicked.
I can't breathe. I try to resist. That's
No,
not
me not make you do me so this time because I'm not true.
Okay, admit this
All
one
the
is
other
not
time
true.
we allow you to do me up because that's true. But right now I'm not true. So me not go allow it. Me not go sit here and make you abuse me like that. Me I defend myself. Right. The whole world knows I'm a fat them deadly, but not this time.
Oh,
But I know you're still alive.
chemical weapon.
Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog with Prison Bay. You when you DM.
Number 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, they call me. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I'm here.
I didn't realize that's what you said.
Yes,
I'm slow.
it's very
Every
slow.
time you put this on, I'm gonna call the prison bay. What's your number?
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright, prison bay. Anyway, guys, me and Prison Bay gonna watch a movie, and hopefully I don't fall asleep tonight 9 o'clock like I've been doing every other day for this week. If you enjoyed today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family. I'm catching and keep them up. Of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Prison Bay. What your number, Prison Bay?
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You guys, wait, come back.
You don't need me.
You guys, if you were to go to prison, let's just have a little fun. If you were to go to prison, what would your number be? Get a number that rhyme like babe would. Baby is 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, it's
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. What would my number be? 333 999.
000.
333 999 000.
000. 69. 69.
999 333 999 000. That's my number. Comment down below, what would your number be if you were to ever to go to prison? What would you want your number to be? Anyway, guys, I'm gone. I'm having too much fun in Prison Bay.
Wait!